Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are just going to discuss about a very beneficial use for our life. So today we are going to discuss about the use of has to and have to. Where I use has to and have to and have to is used when I just talk about compulsion. Compulsion means a kind of helplessness. Let's have the rule first. How to use has to and have to. First of all, I use subject, then has and have plus to we first and then object. Let's have an example first. Like, I have no bike. I have no bike, it's my compulsion to go by bus. So, I have to go by bus. So this is my compulsion that I have no bike, so I have to go by bus. Second example, she has to wake up early in the morning. Why? Because she has her office. So it means she has her office at early time. It means she has morning shift. So she has to wake up early in the morning. To wake up early in the morning is her compulsion. Okay? It's a compulsion of that. One more example I can have. I have no job. I have to spend my time at home. So here I'm just talking about a compulsion like I have no job, so I have no work to do and I have to spend my time at home. I can also talk about the recommended things. When I recommend something, like suppose I go to the doctor and I have fever and doctor recommend me that you have to take medicine on time. And one more thing, I can also prepare some negative sentences like how to prepare the negative sentences. To prepare negative sentences here, I use subject, don't, doesn't, have to, we first and then object. Like if I just talk about recommended things, the doctor recommends you, you don't have to go outside in sun. It means if you are not feeling well, you don't need to go outside. The doctor recommends you that you don't have to go outside. You don't have to make mistake again. This is your warning. This is a warning for you. Now let's talk about interrogative sentences, how to ask questions. To ask questions, like we have to use helping verb first, like do and does, then a subject, have to, and then object. We have to remember one thing, that in negative and interrogative sentences I don't use has to, because I'm using as a helping verb do and does there. So we always use have to with do and does. Example is there, like do you have to go there by bus? So I'm asking her compulsion. Does she have to cook her food herself? So this is, I want to know about her compulsion. In the same way, you can prepare affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences like I have to go, I don't have to go, do you have to go? I have to wake up early in the morning, I don't have to wake up early in the morning, do you have to wake up early in the morning? The same thing, okay? Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you very much.